Well, from our last video, we did convert our Mac into that ultimate smart home hub by installing Homebridge and Zigbee2MQTT. In this one, let's do a lot more with that same Mac by installing Scrypted and enabling HomeKit Secure video for all of your RTSP cameras. Anyways, if you're into smart home DIY and obviously love Apple HomeKit ecosystem, then I have done tons of Homebridge tutorial videos that you can literally use right now. So pretty please do take a look and don't feel shy to like, share and subscribe to always follow along. So for all of this to work, we will definitely be using that same Mac that I had used to install Homebridge and Zigbee2MQTT. And thanks to Pete, he did confirm that he was able to install Homebridge and Zigbee2MQTT using High Sierra OS X 10.13. So that's good news. So if you have High Sierra and it's working well, you can definitely use all of this installation videos. So we'll also be using a Wyze V2 cam to enable the RTSP, and from there we'll also go ahead and add into Apple Home app and check if everything is working. And towards the end, just in case you want to uninstall Scrypted from your Mac, I've also added a tutorial on how to uninstall Scrypted. So let's not waste any more time and let's jump into this tutorial. So first up, from the web page, you will see that this is the web page that I've added in the description, and the installation is very simple. Let's scroll down and we'll go ahead and click on Mac local installation. And all you have to do is click on this copy button over here to do the installation. So let's go ahead and copy this. And this is the same Mac that I installed Homebridge and Zigbee2MQTT with terminal already open. All I'm going to do is Command V, paste it, and I will go ahead and hit enter. All in all, it will take about 10 minutes to 15 minutes to install Scrypted. And just in case if you're only installing just Scrypted, you want to go ahead and install Homebrew first, and I've left that link in the description, and then you can proceed with this installation. So that's about it. We already have Scrypted installed. Remember, if you already had Homebridge and Zigbee2MQTT installed on the same Mac, you wouldn't need to install Homebrew. But if you're skipping directly into Scrypted, you'll definitely need to install Homebrew, where I've got the link in the description. So once this is installed, let's go ahead and open up the web UI. Let's open up a new tab. And the IP address for my Mac is 192. Now, I've also heard that the port to be used for this is 10443 as from this terminal output. But in some cases, some users have reported that they use 11080 as the port. So you want to take note of that. So if I go ahead and type in 10443, you'll see that it's not able to find the web UI. But if I go ahead and use 11080, I'm able to log into the web UI. So this is Scrypted already installed into this Mac that already has Homebridge and Zigbee2MQTT. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and create a new username and password, log in. And from here, I'm going to go and install two plugins. So I'm going to go ahead and first install RTSP. And then from there, I'm going to install another plugin called HomeKit. Now, once with the plugins installed, what we're going to do is go and add in this Wyze Cam V2. So I'm going to go to plugins. I'm going to click on RTSP. I'm going to go ahead and click on add device. I'm going to name it as Wyze Demo, create. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add in the username, password, and the RTSP URL. So I already have this here. I'm going to paste the username, click on the green icon, the password, and the link. And click on save RTSP. Now, just in case if you have any other RTSP cameras, you're not sure what the link is, you can use this website called iSpy Connect. Go to more and go on camera database. So here you can go and check on the brand, the model, and you're able to auto-generate the RTSP link by providing the username, password, and the IP address. So now with this already added, what we're going to do is, if you want, we can go and add in the room, but we're going to leave it as it is. And I'm just going to click on integrations and extensions, and I'm just going to enable the motion detection, and I'm going to enable the HomeKit. So if I go to general, advanced, no changes over here, snapshot, leave it as it is. Stream management, no changes. Stream 1, leave it as it is. Now, just in case if the snapshots are taking time to load, you may want to go and downgrade the resolution to 1280 into 720, but that's an optional. Then you want to go to detection, no configuration. Enabling this option in the HomeKit settings, it also enables the sensor that comes into the camera. So it enables the hardware that works as a sensor. And then from there, you're going to go to HomeKit. So it's already got the sensor, and leave other settings. HomeKit pairing. Now here we're going to enable it as a standalone accessory mode. Whenever you are adding cameras, always keep it a standalone accessory mode so it doesn't interfere with the functionality of the entire Scrypted application. And then from there, you're going to go to integration extensions back again. You will see that it already enables the HomeKit Secure video local copy. So you want to click on that, okay? And then it already confirms that devices have been added. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to plugins. I'm going to go to HomeKit, and I'm just going to reload the plugin. So now with the plugin already reloaded, all we have to do now is test the footage and add it to Apple HomeKit. But if I go to plugins, we should be able to see a snapshot of the camera. So we already have that. So it clearly shows that the camera is working. And now I'm going to go back to plugins, HomeKit. I'm going to go and open up the Apple Home app, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm just going to tap on add accessory. I'm going to scan on this QR code, add to home, add anyway, done. And then from here, I'm just going to tap again on add accessory, more options, and you'll see that the cam is already here. So I'm going to tap on the cam, add anyway. And for the code, all we have to do is go to plugins, RTSP, click on the device, click on HomeKit pairing, and you're going to see the code right here. So that's the camera right there. Wyze demo, continue, and here you already get the HomeKit Secure video option. So this confirms Scrypted is transporting this to HomeKit. Continue, tap done, and give it a second to load. So it gives you the options. Here's the camera, double tap on it. It is working. If I go to configuration, I can add in the option. So this confirms that this is all working within Scrypted, within Apple Home. So this confirms that Scrypted has been installed 100% on that same Mac. So with this, we've got Homebridge running on the same computer. We have Zigbee2MQTT working on this computer. So if I go to accessories, I have the Sonoff switch right there, which was from the previous install, and Zigbee2MQTT also working. Now, let's say you want to uninstall Scrypted and you no longer want it. So let's go through those steps right now and uninstall Scrypted. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to this Mac, and I've left the links in the description. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this first command, enter, second command, enter, and then you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to copy this entire command, which will remove the entire folder, enter, put in your password, and now if I go to Scrypted, it has been uninstalled successfully. So just like that, with the same MacBook, we were able to do a lot more by enabling and installing Scrypted, adding an RTSP camera, enabling HomeKit Secure Video, and making the same computer a one-stop shop that is a productive computer. It also is your ultimate smart home hub, and you can do a lot more and take it to the next level. So let me know in the comment section if you had any difficulties that I can help you with the installation, and if you were successful with any versions prior to 10.13, I'd be happy to know. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Cheers and happy automation.